Hello everyone, are you ready to learn with Miss Vivene today? Yes, so today our lesson will be on the letter E. We will sing the sign language song and also an action song and also a song which is starting with the letter E. Egg. We will use the egg to sing a song. I want all of you to participate. I will sing the song 3 times, the first song 3 times, slow, a bit faster and very fast, okay? So I want all of you to participate and I'm so happy that you are here with me today. So let's start. Please participate. Egg in the pan, ah, ah, ah. Egg in the pan, ah, ah, ah. Egg in the pan, ah, ah, ah. Crack the egg like this. Egg in the pan, ah, ah, ah. Egg in the pan, ah, ah, ah. Egg in the pan, ah, ah, ah. Crack the egg like this. Now a bit faster, okay? Let's all do it. Egg in the pan, ah, ah, ah. Egg in the pan, ah, ah, ah. Egg in the pan, ah, ah, ah. Crack the egg like this. Very good. You all were very smart. Wow, that's wonderful. I want all of you to clap your hands for yourself. Very good. Now let's start with another song. You have to listen carefully. We will be learning some few words here, around 7 words. So I want you all to be here and listen carefully. What are those words? I will put some pictures here so that you can recognize what are those words, okay? But I want you to pronounce it with me so that we can all do it well together. I'm so happy. Let's all start. Can you make the letter sound? Can I show you how? What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. This is the capital E. This is the lowercase e. You know how the E looks now. Let's make the letter E sound. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, 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 your turn. Ah, 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 very good. E is for egg. E is for elbow. E is for elephant. E is for elf. E is for emperor. E is for empty. You know some E words now. Let's make the letter E sound. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, 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 ah. Very good. The sound of the letter E is ah. Now we will learn another sign language song which I want all of you to participate, but now I will show you the action. I want you to listen to it carefully and you have to do the actions with me. So this is a sign language, the letter E. Okay, the letter E. Can you all see this? Can you recognize? Yes, let's all do it. Our 4 fingers on top of the thumb, squeeze together without any gaps. Okay, so this is the letter E, okay, and egg, we will do egg, okay, egg, and the next one will be elephant, elephant, ear, ear, I. Very good. And the next one is eggplant. Eggplant. Okay? Very good. And for envelope, we will do like this. Okay? Envelope. And earth. 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 I want all of you to do it with me. Are you ready? The letter E. E is for egg, egg. E is for elephant, elephant. E is for ear, ear, ear. E is for eye, eye. E is for eggplant, eggplant, eggplant. E is for earth, earth. E is for envelope, envelope, envelope. E is for okay, so sometimes we say the sound of es, e only, okay? Ear, ear. But the sound we are going to learn today is the sound of e, which is elephant. For example, elephant. Very good. Keep up the good word, and I want all of you to practice more and do well. See you in the next class. Bye. Thank you, everyone.